Here is our Bretford PureCharge Station 20. It is part of our PureCharge line optimized for Apple devices. We have carts and stations for all form factors. This station is made for 20 iPad devices with lightning cables, pre-wired and ready right out of the box. Each of the 20 cables is optimized with length and a right angle connector for ease of connection, as well as minimizing stress both on the cable as well as the device. The sliding pocket door allows for simple opening and closing and can be stowed away for ease of access. Our PureCharge stations can be daisy chained and nested vertically, as well as mounted on the wall or placed on the countertop. All 20 slots are full rate charging, allowing maximum charging simultaneously to all 20 devices. Our PureCharge station, along with all of our Bretford products, are designed and manufactured here in Franklin Park, Illinois, and made in the USA. All of our Bretford products are covered by our 7-year no-nonsense warranty. That includes body and electrical, no questions asked. For more information on our PureCharge line, as well as the rest of our Bretford products, please visit us at bretford.com.